Hey guys, here is my review for Dan Pai's course. It's a very complete course. I really like it because it's very well structured. You have everything there. You have all the answers of your questions there, and you have more questions. You can just go on the group. There is a group with more colleagues, and over there everyone it's questioning or answering whatever they have, and then it's very active over there. For the moment, all the questions were answered. I like because, as I said before, it's very structured and everyone can learn it. It's for everyone. If you have a computer, if you have a Word program, if you have internet, you're good to go. I like this kind of course because even if you're not an engineer, you can do it. So I published in 2 months about 100 books, and I sold about 164 units. It's over here. I made the print screen, and yes, in December I made $129. In November, I think I made something similar, about $100. So the thing is that you need to make a lot of books. It's a business that you need many books. I think to make the $1,000, at least in my case, I'm talking about my case. I don't know other people how they are doing, but I think to reach $1,000 a month, you need much more books. I don't know, maybe 600, 700. So you need to work. It's a course where we need to put time and hours of work, at least in my case. And yes, I like it, but yes, you have to work it. So I wish you a great day.